What up, guys? Welcome back to another video on NFTs. What are we looking at today? We're looking at an interesting project that is kind of not safe for work. As you can see in the background there is a warning that some of this content may not be suitable for work. So if you're easily offended by animated nipples, then maybe this is your opportunity to turn away. But if you are interested in animated nipples, then stay tuned, because this, like I said, is an interesting NFT project. Again, it's a 10,000 generative art PFP type project, but it has a really interesting element that is embedded in it, that is artificial intelligence. So like, I love interesting projects that bring something unique to the table, something different to the ecosystem, and Aiko is the project that we're exploring today. Now you're probably thinking, who on earth is Aiko? What on earth is Aiko? And who is this person with pink hair sitting right in front of me? Well, my friends, she is Aiko herself. Now, Aiko is a sexy waifu developed by artificial intelligence living on the Solana blockchain. She can be your friend, your lover, or whatever you want her to be. Now, the private sale is currently going on, so you can't get onto that unless you're on the whitelist. But let's talk a little bit about the project and why I find it so interesting. So a little bit about Aiko. Aiko is 10,000 randomly generated images, NFTs, and they each have 12 traits. So they'll have like different facial expressions, headpieces, attire, and a few other random bits and pieces. Now, the cool thing about Aiko is hoping to be your companion, your friend, your life coach, your assistant. She will play a part in your life's journey. So she's an artificial intelligence NFT ready to interact with you and satisfy your more intimate wishes. Like I said, not completely safe for work. So if you mint an Aiko, you will turn into an Aiko master. And essentially they are planning to have an Apple and Android app, which Aiko masters, which are the ones that own NFT, can use and interact with Aiko. Okay, so Aiko evolves and learns from your taste and adapts to your needs. And that is the awesome part of the AI. Her neuronal network is trained by hundreds of Reddit posts, erotic and romantic novels, and yes, a lot of not safe for work material. Not to mention, the cool thing about this project is the development team is hoping to create the first and one of the biggest not safe for work NFT trading platforms. As you know, out there at the moment, there's probably not a lot. I can't, off the top of my head, I don't know if there's any not safe for work adult only erotic content or NFT marketplace, and they plan to create the first one. Not only that, if you own an Aiko, then that means you get 30% rewards from the marketplace, from the fees that they get. Any Aiko holder will get 30% rewards, and that in turn becomes passive income. So that is why this project is unique. So here we see a little kind of sneak peek of what to expect when they launch the application. So, you can interact, whether it's, via text chat, voice, or camera. You can interact with Aiko. Now, text chat is, everyone knows how that works, like WhatsApp or whatever. Voice, I guess, maybe like speaking to Siri or the Google chat. And camera, which is something different. I don't know what that entails, but perhaps that is like augmented reality or some sort. Stay tuned. Now, just to be safe, I'm gonna kind of block that nipple out just so we don't get any complaints and any reports. But essentially, like I said, there's gonna be 12 traits: background, skin color, expression, hair, tattoo, piercings, attire, and all that good stuff. So that is what makes the collection unique. And here you go, you'll see some of the images here. I'm sure there'll be a nipple somewhere here. Oop, there you go. But the art is pretty cool. The art is kind of manga style, right? Now, if you don't know what a waifu is, waifu is essentially like a Japanese pop culture term that describes any female character that you admire. Okay, and a lot of people like their waifus in anime games or anime series, and the opposite to that is the husbandos. They're the male character versions of what people admire. So just to quickly run through these, here are the drop dates. You can read them yourself, but essentially the public sale will be on the 16th, where you will get a generic ACO, and then the final reveal will be on the 17th of November, where you actually see your ACO and all the traits. Now the price is 3 Sol. Hopefully by November the 16th, 3 Sol doesn't cost like $1,000, because we are in the middle of a bull run, and Solana could just keep going up. So we'll see how much that ends up being. But you never know. Sometimes projects, I've seen them adjust the price, but stay tuned for that. Now, if you're planning to buy an ICO on the secondary market, then you can go onto SolSea when that launches, and they also have their collection on Digital Eyes and Magic Eden as well. Now, talking about utility, like I mentioned before, some of the benefits of holding an ICO is that you get 30% rewards from the marketplace that they are developing, that not safe for work, adults only, erotic marketplace, that it will be one of a kind or first to market when it does launch. So that's pretty cool. Big data used in ACO's neuronal network, like I said, scouring Reddit posts, thousands of erotic and romantic novels to produce ACO, and allow ACO to be an expert in BDSM, Kama Sutra, Tantra, and all kinds of other applications that your kinky mind can think of. So that's going to be awesome as well. They're going to be launching airdrops as well at some time in the future, where you can play dress up and you can add different features and customize your ACO. So if you jump onto their website, you can actually have a play around with their ACO builder. You know, you can give her different expressions like being happy, there you go, excited, let's see what she looks like, excited, and you know, so just play around with it and have fun a little bit. And to top it off, we go into the wiki. Now, a word of warning, I suppose, or something you guys should be aware of, is just because you buy an ICO, it doesn't guarantee that you'll get the app, because as you can see, they need to hit certain targets in order for them to produce the applications. Like, for example, here, they need 60% plus of ICOs to be minted in order to, you know, start working on the ACO Master iOS and Android application. Okay, so yeah, they do need to hit certain milestones. As you can appreciate, modern day NFT projects are kind of like crowdfunding projects, and in order to you know, reach their goals on the roadmap, they do require that certain amounts of mints do hit. So there you go, be conscious of that, something to be aware of. Now, a final thing, like I said, the cool thing about this project is the AI element. And when I say AI, I mean that ACO can be, you know, a friend, she can be a romantic partner, or she can be a guide. I'll allow you to read this yourself. Go to the website, read it. But essentially, a friend is someone that you can share your wins, your losses. You can kind of ask her questions, reach out to her, ask for advice. A romantic partner, obviously, you can share all your fetishes and all your kinky secrets, and play out all your fantasies, I suppose, in that sense. And then ACO as a guide, which will act as like a life coach and a mentor. So there's kind of different aspects towards ACO. It doesn't have to be, you know, just the not safe for work stuff, but she can also be an interactive friend as well. So that's really cool when it comes to this project. That's why I like it. That's why it's unique. And if you're interested, jump on the website, take a look, have a read, and see if you like the project as well. Like I said, I'm not telling you to buy, just giving you the information, and hopefully from there you can make an informed decision. So with that said, guys, have a good night, morning, noon, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.